Hello everyone, so I will be showing you the best tips and tricks if you want to go pro in Animal Hospital. I have the secret agent class, but you can have any class you want to go pro. And I'll give you all of the tips and tricks you need to go pro like me. Get coffee, take 2 sips, and wait for Headbanger to come. Then you feed Headbanger the coffee and they will stop. The first patient will always need herbs, and the second patient will always, and I mean always, need eye drops. And if you hate the monster under the bed, then there's simply a trick to get rid of it. All you have to do is get your maple syrup, hold it out, and go in the hitbox, and the monster under the bed will take it. For the eyes on the ceiling, all you need to do is get eye drops, and then all you need to do then is put the eye drops on its eyes. As simple as that sounds, it's true. And if you actually want to cook, I recommend when the ambulance comes, shooting all patients. Because you can just pick them all up and put them in the trash, and it will still count as patient heal. Still finding some more tips and tricks for you guys. But don't worry, I will have new content every day for you guys. And the best part is, it will be high quality content. This is like my 3rd time making content, so please do not hate. So I'm just going to take care of these patients real quick. And if you have ever played Animal Hospital, then drop a sub and share this with all of your friends and family, because they will need the tips and tricks to become pro. Look what I told you. Herbs for the first patient. And then for the second patient, you're gonna need eye drops. What did I tell you? It works like a charm. Now they're just recovering. And then you get your first paycheck. And I have secret agent class, but if you want to go pro, use any class you want. I'm playing alone, but play with your friends for all I care. Check this patient. These patients can now be empty, because your first 2 patients weren't empty, but your 3rd and up from that will be entity. Might be entities. And if this is helping you, then drop a sub, like, and subscribe, because it would really help. Forgot it. And if the purple monster appears and starts attacking your patient, you have to get the scissors and you have to cut it up. I'll show you how it works. So get your eye drops and apply treatment, and you can look at it. Look, it's such a good tip and trick. but you lose a lot of sanity doing it, so I don't recommend that one. If you see a glitchy photo or the photo does not match the patient, then close the shutters immediately, because that is not your normal patient. That is what we call an entity. And if they're an entity, then you need to close the shutters. But if they're a headbanger, then give them some coffee, because it will soothe them down and they will leave. But if it is something else like a skinwalker, then you can just simply close the shutters on them. I'm sorry for the bad content, but I don't have good filming gear. But I hope this animal hospital video will help you become pro. I'm sorry for yapping, now just enjoy and watch me play the game like normal videos. And if this white rabbit comes called Barney, and he asks for coffee, you might think it's annoying, but take 2 sips and give the coffee to him. Because if you be nice to him, then he will go, and he will, later on, he will ask for a scalpel. Give the scalpel to him. And later after that, he will ask, can I come in? Can I hide with you? Say yes, and don't turn him in when the police come. Because if you don't, then he will give you another coffee maker. And now, I hope you all enjoyed the tips and tricks, because that is all I know for Animal Hospital. I'm doing a massive giveaway of 3,250 animal coins. So bye, for that is all I know, and have a good day.